Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net. Today we're going to talk about trading the crude oil, YM and NQ here on July 9th, Thursday, 2015. Here we have the crude oil which gapped up and right before the 9:30 open was unable to hold the gap. And like I said, we go for the $300 profit goal trading the first half hour, and it was hit. Book our profits, go on to the next trade. The AutoTrader does all the work for you. As you see, green colored background, trend is up. Red, it's down. We're trading two contracts here. Got short 53.15 and out 15 ticks later at 53. That's all you need to make $300 a day. We've done this continually for 5-6 months now. $300 to $500 a day trading crude oil with the AutoTrader. So it can be done, and it's very easy to do. Let's look at the next trade. The next trade we did is we had another strategy running, starting just after the 9:30 open. As you see, we started it right here as a yellow dotted line. Trend changed right here, right around 9:41. We're still trading two contracts, 53.30 short, and we're trading profit goals. I believe I had it set up as 6. And looks like 16. So basically it got our profit goal on this trend reversal. Went long here, didn't get much profit, got pretty much, looks like stopped out here for a small loss. Then we caught this new downtrend for a nice profit. And then we caught this uptrend. There really wasn't much uptrending to the market here. First half hour due to the gap up on some positive news. So this uptrend failed, and as you can see, the downtrends were more to the downtrend, more ticks. And we usually go for $500 profit. And we hit it plus some. We didn't have no profit goal set here on this trade strategy. We just had it set to false and let it run and pick up 6, 10, 12, 14 tick profits each for each contract. And then you accumulate your profits. So half hour of trading, $580 profit, and the AutoTrader does all the work. Makes all the buys and sells, all the decisions for you. All you have to do is sit back, eat your breakfast, drink your coffee, or not even be there, and the AutoTrader does the work. So let's look at the next trade in the NQ, which has been hot lately this week. So the first trade on the SIA was worth 300. This one's worth 580. So in a half hour's time, we pretty much exceeded our $500 goal, $880 profit, which is very good. So let's look at the NQ trade now. All right, with the gap up, we started the AutoTrader here right at the open. Wait for the trend change on the NQ. And we're trading 3 contracts with profit goals. And you can set any type of profit goal you want. Some traders use 5 ticks, 6 ticks, 5, 10, 15 ticks. It's whatever your preference is. So you want to get some first profit on the first one, second one a little bit more, and the third one be a runner. And here with the big gap up in the NQ, we thought it would drop a lot further. Thought it would go down here to at least the 90, but it stalled out right here. We locked in our profits on the short, and then it did a long trade, and we got stopped out there on this move to the downside, and it pretty much locked in our profits on the NQ for the day. Usually go for right around 300. Came a few ticks shy. So we banked that, and then we go on to trade the YM. And let's see what the YM did today. So here's the chart of the YM, and as you can see, here's the previous day's close. We gap up. right at the 9:30 open. We thought it would drop more like the NQ, but it didn't. It held up, so the gap was pretty strong. So we got this initial move here to the upside. Started the AutoTrader in the gap, and that's what you do with trading gaps. Start the AutoTrader in the gap. When the trend changes, it catches the first leg up. And so here in the YM, usually I like to go for, I think it's 15, 10 to 15, and then 20 to 24 profit targets, and then the third one a runner, depending on the range for the day. So as you see, we hit our first profit target, second profit target. Trend change, we got stopped on this one for a small loss. Then it continued to the upside. We got some profits on this one. And then the bottom fell out here. We hit our first profit target and second profit target. And we reached our max gain for the day, $500. Got out $495, just a couple ticks shy of the profit goal. Little slippage there that does happen, but not too often, probably 1% of the time or less. And sometimes it happens to the positive. If this was really selling off, we could have got out with like $520, $30 profit. And when you're trading with the AutoTrader, like I said, this makes all the work. You just tell it what time to start trading, what time to end, what profit goal you want, and it does all the work for you. Now also when you're trading this, say you got the first two contracts, they hit their profit goal, and the third contract, you can move the profit goal on the chart and raise it up, as you see, looks like I did here in these green dashed lines, and also raise the stop as you go too. And there's also a built-in trail stop, so you can, software is fully automatic, but you can manually trade with it also. So if the market was screaming higher, you could, instead of, if you had like say a 15 and 24 tick profit goal and then some news come out, you can adjust those on the chart very quickly and easily. So that's the trades for Thursday, July 9th, 2015. Summertime trading so far here in July has been pretty good, as we locked in almost $300 profit in the NQ, $495 here in the YM, and over $800 in the CL. So that's a pretty good day of trading, all using the Trading123 AutoTrader. So be sure to visit our website at trading123.net. Click on the AutoTrader link. Any questions, our email address is on the website. Hope you enjoyed the video and good luck with your trading.